Alright guys, I got the forge fired up and ready to go. What I'm going to do, I'm going to take these two pieces of rebar here, and recently Dave Canterbury uploaded a video and made a pair of cooking tongs or something, cooking supplies or something like that, and I'm going to do the same, attempt to do the same. I don't know much about blacksmithing. I'm just kind of learning as I go. Got me an anvil there, so I'm gonna turn on the hair dryer down there and get to pounding some steel. So stick with me. Well, we're almost done with the pigtail. It's taking a bit longer than I thought. And then after that, I'll quench that in water and then I'll put a point on the other end of the rebar. That way you could stick it into the ground. But what I have to do next is put an angle on it, and then I should be done with that. So stick with me, guys. Alright guys, so here's how it turned out. Not too bad. It's the best I can do anyway. But anyway, we're going to quench this in water now. Alright, so there it is. Oh, still steaming. But it turned out pretty good. I'm happy with it. Oh, sorry. Sure is easier said than done, that's for sure. But I did it. It's pretty fun. Now I have to... Oh, it's still hot. Alright, so now all I have to do is put a point on this end, and I should be done. Okay guys, there's the point that I put on it. Oh, let me see. Like that. Then here's the other end of it, the pigtail part. And that fits perfectly there. And then I'm going to set this up on the ground. I still need to do the fork on this end, and then that part where the where your like billy can would sit. So let me set this up for you just to show you guys how this piece turned out, and I'll bring you guys back. Alright guys, so take this piece, shove it into the ground. Ground's a bit frozen. That's good enough for now. And this is going to be my other piece. And here you guys go. So it's coming along pretty good. Oh, something like that. So yeah, it's coming along pretty good, guys. Give you guys a close up how it turned out. So yeah, it took about maybe an hour and a half for me to finish this part. Forge worked out great. So did this here, this anvil. That's still red hot. But yeah guys, it's coming along pretty good. So I got this part done. Now it's time to move on to the fork end and the pot holder end. And I'll do that in maybe part 2 of this blacksmith series, or whatever you want to call it. So thanks guys for watching and subscribing. I greatly appreciate it, and I'll see you guys on the next one.